Good morning, this is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about 30 minutes. Potentially some pre-market trading may occur. GLMD getting quite a bit of action. Have an order out there, and I've actually had the order out there if you look closely at the time since 8:07 Eastern time in the morning at 22.75, and it was looking like for a second maybe it could be in a play, and maybe it still is as this one's waking back up again. But regardless, GLMD looks like it should be pretty potential filled out of the opening gate, so we'll see what happens with it. But if it looks like I may get filled on this pre-market order, I'll get the video rolling again. If not, I'll see you back at the open. Move my order up to 21.85, 500 shares. I'd like more than that, but just want to get that out there. And there we go. There's a break. Let's see if we can get up to 21.85 or not. It's getting close. And then it just stopped. And I'm going to go ahead and adjust this up to 22.35. So 22.35 new order. That move right there that you just saw, that's what I wanted to get filled on. I did not get filled, so I want to move my order up a little bit. So 22.35 new order. Looking like I may be getting filled here. I changed my order up to 22.75. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. Oh, there we go. In. And you can see down here the yellow all out there. So quick, double checking real quick. A quick $75. This one's, if you also notice on the entry, I got, filled in literally the blink of an eye. And then it took me a little while to get out. It was a slow process. Again, you can go back and, scroll back, and if you watch the second order, you'll see it turn to yellow and then was slowly getting filled. So my next order is at 23.25. If it wants to break up through there, market opens up in about 15 minutes. So maybe another pre-market trade, we shall see. All right, turn my back for 1 second. Now all of a sudden it's approaching 23.45, which is my current order. And I am all in. So we'll see. Okay, and I'm 400 of 500. Again, down here, yellow implies that I'm getting partials. Well, it's looking like I might be able to get some more here up at 24.45, double checking. So still have 100 shares left. So yes. So we'll see if it wants to just move up there or not. So I could end up having 600 shares here. Again, if you're kind of confused what happened, I only got 400 of my 500 shares covered. So that is why, if you've heard the term partial fill, I'm currently still dealing with a partial fill, but like I said, got the majority of them. Well, I almost got those at 24.45, but not quite. I'm actually going to change those up to 24.75 now. Or if this thing wants to drop back down and just get me out, we'll see what happens. Market opens up here in about 13 minutes. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause, and I will keep you updated. All right. Nope, still haven't given me. Went up there and hit 24.70. So I thought they might have given me my shares, but they did not. Maybe on this try. All right, there we go. So I have those. So I will look to build more. Nice. Looking like, well, let's get some up at 25.85. And then 26.15. This is where I'll look to start to scale in a little bit more aggressively here. Right now, average at 24.53. So let's see what it wants to do here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cancel those with the way it's just hovering right around there. So like I said, up over 26 is where I'll start to get more aggressive. $25.50, clearly a pretty solid area of support right now, it seems. Market still doesn't open for another 11 minutes. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause for the time being. All right, it's nearing a potential exit point for me, 24.35. So let's see if it can break down through 24.50. That's going to be the key break here. There's the break, and I'm all out of those 600 shares, which was 500 and then that 100 stubborn one. So now up 265 on the morning. Market doesn't open up for 10 minutes. And looking to, once again, build. Looking based on the price movement right now, probably won't be able to get in again until the market opens, but I'd be interested in getting in up again, up over 26-ish area. So yeah, let's see how the market opens. But yeah, I'm not going to complain. 265 before the market is even open. All right, 26.85 potentially in play here now. Looking like I'm going to potentially be wrong. I didn't think it'd recover that quickly, but actually on that note, it's talking out loud, it has recovered pretty quickly. So with that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and move this up to actually 27.45. One of the benefits of doing these, when you're talking out loud, sometimes you say something and you kind of just think, huh, that does kind of actually make sense. So yeah, it did recover very quickly, sign of strength. So I'm going to get a little bit more conservative here and make that first entry point. As you see, 27.45 now. So let's see if it can break up through 27. I would be filled had I kept my original order. So maybe this is a case of just should have trusted my first, like I said, upon speaking out loud, yeah, it has shown signs of strength, and it got up as high as 27.35, so I was 10 cents off. So we'll see if it can get back up there or not. I will, well, all right, I'm in. Yes, I'm in. Okay, so 27.25 now. Okay, so they're going to be 75 of 500, and there I'm all out. So let's go to 28.45, double checking. There we go. So good. Thank you, listeners, to just listening to my rambling. I just got myself a much better trade there from talking out loud, so I appreciate it. Wow, this is probably a record. Almost 10 minutes, and the market has not even opened yet. So 28.45, next order. We'll see what happens. The markets are officially open, so I'm curious to see how this one will trade. I'm not going to lie, I thought it'd be a little bit more volatile than this, but still pretty crazy. And we will see how it all unfolds. And I'm, watching other things too, but this one, clearly has caught my eye. So yeah, let's see what happens. 6 minutes in, nothing. Still have that GLMD order out there. Not going to lie, I thought it'd be a little bit more volatile. I mean, it's still all over the place. I mean, it's jumping, you know, big spread, all that good stuff, but just the way it was moving pre-market, I was hoping for more of a surge out of the opening gates that I could have built into, but that never really came. The day is young, but I don't know, maybe the best action was actually pre-market, which we already captured. So on that note, I guess I'm feeling positive from a video perspective. But yeah, I'll keep an eye on things. I have no idea if it'll get hit, but I'm going to go ahead and cancel that short order. I am throwing out a long order at 21.75, and like I said, this one can kind of be jumpy, so I might miss the entry point. Well, it's starting to move now. Maybe it'll... So yeah, let's keep things rolling. All right, now it's starting to hover. But yeah, 21.75 just in case I miss the entry. Okay, it's approaching the break of 22. Let's see if it can actually get down through there. Well, it bounced right off of 22. All right, trying again. And once again, bounced right off of it. All right, have an order at 20.37 here on GLMD. Went down and bounced directly off of 20.50. So it got close, but we'll see if I can get filled. All right, it's making its way down there. Key break. Well, it was making its way down there. All right, going for a break at 20.50. I adjusted my order down at 20.27 instead of 20.37. So let's see if we can get the break of 50 or not. And it continues to hold strong. Okay, trying again. There is the break. Kind of. Okay, have I order out at 21.75 here to try to short this bounce here. Just 300 shares to get my feet wet, so we'll see if it can break up through 21.50 or not. So let's see. Well, you're familiar with how this one trades. Kind of hard from a recording standpoint, so we'll see. Okay, going for the break at 21.50. There's the break. So let's see if it can get up to, again, 21.75 for that first entry point. It's trying. Well, we're over 12 minutes. All right, I'm going to pause. All right, looking like 22.45 may be in play here, which is where my new order is at. There we go. So I'm in for my first allotment. We'll look to get some more at 22.75 if that's possible. Okay, now it's giving me, no, don't leave me with 100 shares again. Well, looking like that may be the case here. And now it's giving me, all right, this is just getting sloppy here. All right, so now I have 190 shares. So let's just do 22.50. She what? She left some. All right, that's okay. She can get it another time. Okay, thank you for letting me know. Okay, so 22.51 is where I have those 190 shares. And now you can see this is even. Let's see. $22. We'll see if it can get up over 23 or not. All right, that's fine. You can color. 22. Yeah, it's looking like this one might be running out of a bit of steam here, so I'll keep it down there at 22.51. Wow, this thing's almost. I guess that's how trading goes, though. This is by no means exciting. I mean, I just need to get out of 190 shares. And I am out. So just definitely very sloppy. And well, there's a nice pullback there. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. And pretty much, you know, kind of this morning in a nutshell, it's about 10:30. I had the good pre-market. And I wanted to get more trades, but GLMD. I'm talking, okay? Daddy's doing a video. So, you know, you saw the trades, and then as I already said, GLMD was just kind of disappointing to begin with in and of itself. So that kind of sucked away some of my time, and then I just got distracted with other stuff. As you can see, I'm helping my wife out with the kids, so I'm hanging out with a couple of them right now. So that kind of distracted me a little bit, which is fine. Like I said, when you have a good pre-market, the motivation level is like, whatever. But so it is what it is. I only caught actually one trade in the normal market hours, but and that one trade, as you just saw, was quite sloppy because GLMD now is just doing, partial fills and all that stuff. Not that it wasn't in the pre-market, but $410. I won't complain about that. Like I said, for getting to hang out with my kids at home, work from home, I'll take it. So that's something that's well worth it to me. If you do enjoy these videos, then before I go, the easiest way to communicate, hey Clay, I enjoy them, please keep making them. Click that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, I do offer a live trading room. You can go to claytrader.com, and that's called the Inner Circle, and it's just $99 per year. Not per month, nothing crazy like that, just per year. And that does a great job of filtering out the pumpers and the trolls and all that sort of stuff. It's amazing what just $100 can do as far as a filter is concerned. And if you want to learn to trade with charts, again, claytrader.com, I offer many online training courses on that. So again, thanks for watching. If you want me to keep making these, like I said, click that like button. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.